I am looking for a good HVAC person.
Remember to subscribe and hit the bell notification.
Good morning, everyone. This is Karl F. Rose recording from Bedford, Pennsylvania on Tuesday, August 6th, 2019. And I got my studio lighting stuff. I'm gonna do an unboxing video here in a few minutes, but first of all, I'm here, as I said, in Bedford, Pennsylvania, and I am looking for a good HVAC person to determine what's going on with my mini split. So before I get into the unboxing thing, let me explain the situation. And I need to know what I'm looking for is an HVAC person, because I rent here, so I need an HVAC person. It's almost 80 degrees in here, and I will have a I almost had heat strokes Friday and Saturday, and I will have a heat stroke and die. So this is on you, okay? What I need is someone to come out here and do a free consultation, because I'm a renter here. So I need to know three things. Is the unit working properly? Is there things going on that are on my end? Or does it need to be Freon filled again? The tech was out in February to recharge it with Freon, February, then 2 weeks ago, and now it appears it needs, and there's something terribly wrong. So it needs to be free. And I need a written, if it's something with the unit itself, I need a written description of what the problems areas are and what the cost is going to be, and that way I can forward that to my landlord. And if you don't want to do that for free, then don't even bother. And let me tell you, let me give you a warning. If you come out here, don't even attempt to try and rip me off or rip my landlord off, because I guarantee you this will be the last assignment you ever do, and you will lose everything. You'll lose your business, you'll lose your home, you'll lose your wife, you'll lose your kids, everything. It will be gone. It'll be the last thing you ever do. So don't even try to rip us off. So I need that. I need that now. And to all those who won't do it, when I die of heat stroke, because I will, because nothing's being done there, the blood is on your hands. The blood will be on your hands, and trust me, I'm making a will, and so help me God, the estate will come down hard, and will come down hard on each and every one of you who are HVAC people here in Pennsylvania, who did not listen to the requirements of an old man. I'm old. I'm disabled. I'm on Social Security disability. I have a limited income. So it's up to you to get this fixed, and get this fixed now. That's your warning. And if you don't, yeah, the blood's on your hands, and I'm getting the paperwork already. So now I got my studio light up, lights and studio set up. And let's get going into that, and I'm just going to try and make this as quickly as possible, because not only am I hot, I've got other things to do, but let's move some things around here. I got to move my microphone so I can get the box here, so bear with me. Alright, let's get this here. Alright, okay, I gotta set some things back here. Hotter than hell in here. And we're going to open up this box. Okay, got it on my box on my lap. Okay, let me turn this around and get the light in here a little bit better. Okay, you may or may not be able to hear me. I'm not sure. And at this point, I'm just going to see what we can do. We're going to open up my box and see what we got. And then I'm just going to sign off here. I did another video from my tablet earlier. Okay. Oh, they really sealed this up good, didn't they? Okay, let's see if I can do it this way. I should have opened up the box before I started this, but I just have 80 million things going on today, and I don't have time for garbage or nonsense or anything like that. So I'm just going to open this up. I'm trying to do more videos, and I'm trying to improve the quality of my videos. That's why I'm getting these lights, and not only for my videos, but for my still work. I can do some really awesome still life stuff with a good studio setup. Alright, let's get this here. Alright, let's see if we can, let's get this up here. Okay. Alright. Again, telemarketers get me. Okay. Okay, this, I just ordered this not too long ago. This came really fast. Okay, what do we got here? We've got this. It looks like this is going to be the stand. Yeah, this is going to be the stand. I'll open that up in a second. And there's the beanbag case or something like that. Oh, there's the case where the whole thing goes in. There's the case. I'm going to just get this big old box. I think that's the light. Okay. And that looks like the stand. Here's the instructions. Okay, let's just kind of discard the box here. Oh, I got some more. Okay. Alright. Okay, we got some things in here. Okay. Alright, get the box out of the way, let my cat play with it. Okay. Alright. Okay, let's move this back over here. See what we got here. Okay. Alright, it's a new Asa. Okay, and this is just an unboxing product, unboxing thing. I'm not. This is not any. I'm not getting. This is not a paid promotion. I'm not getting any. I'm not getting compensated for this by the company in any way, shape, or form, and I need to get that out. So, okay. Oh, yeah. Here's the light bulb. Okay, there's the light bulb. Oh, okay. This light bulb is bigger than I thought. There's the light bulb. Okay. All right. There's the light bulb. There's the light bulb. Okay. Need to be careful with that. Okay, this looks like it's going to be the stand. Yeah, there we go. There's the stand. Okay. I don't need to take all this out here. Oh, this is the for the bean bag, the sandbag, I guess. I'll have to look at the instructions. Let me fumble around here and see what we got here. Let's see. I don't know what this thing is. Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. I'll have to look at the instructions and see what it says here. Okay. That's just how to set it up. Okay. Okay. Let's see what we got in here. And then we'll finish the video. I'll have to look further into this and get everything set up. Oh yeah, it's got the reflector. Okay. Here it is. This is going to be the umbrella and the reflector. Open this up. And there we go. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, that's the umbrella, and that's where the light goes. Okay. Yeah. So let's see. That's how that's going to look. Okay. This is this basic kit. It only cost me, you know, oh, there we are. There's some more stuff. Okay. Comes with it. Okay. There's got to be some instructions on here. There's the instructions. Okay. Oh, and that turns. Okay, that's the light, power light, and on. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. Yeah, that's about it. That's all I really wanted to do. I have my microphone away from me, so I don't know how much of this you heard. But anyway, with the exception of the beginning, I just want to get off of this now and put all my boxes away. I'm sweating to death. And if you like these kind of videos, please be sure to click on the description link in the description, in the links in the description below. I got playlists for various things. I've got the link to my my YouTube tactics course. I've got links again, like to all my playlists, and be sure to hit the bell notification and the subscribe button, and we will talk to you next time.